Hi everyone, my name is Alessandro and I'm the Executive Pastry Chef of the Melbourne Convention Exhibition Centre. Today we're going to make a dessert for the International Dessert Day, and we're going to do one of our most popular dessert, which is a warm chocolate cake with a soft caramel centre, berry and hazelnut ice cream. We're doing this dessert usually once a week, and we can do anything between 10 to 3,000 people at MCEC. These are the ingredients: cocoa powder, olive oil, sugar, eggs, almond meal and water. We're going to start mixing the cocoa powder and the water to make a paste. So we're going to mix until we have a smooth paste. You can use hot water, that's going to be helpful. When you have a smooth paste like this, you can then add your sugar and your eggs and mix that again until there's no lumps. Then we can add the almond meal. We can finish off with the oil. So this is a very simple cake to make. You can do by hand, you don't need any special equipment, but it's also very tasty. So you can pipe this mix into your preferred mold, and we're gonna fill the mold halfway through. We're gonna bake this for 40 minutes at a temperature of 170 degrees. We're now making salted hazelnut. We're going to put some water in the pot, sugar, and we're going to bring this mix to boil. We're going to mix until there's no water in it. So we want to stir it until the sugar crystallizes around the hazelnut. So now the sugar starts crystallizing. So we can then turn the heat on. We can now add a pinch of salt and mix until the salt coats the hazelnut. So now the cake is out of the oven, so I can place this on here. We're going to make an indent on each one of them, and then we're going to fill with soft caramel. So we now cut some indent. We're going to fill them with caramel now. We're now making some chocolate garnishes, which is a chocolate opaline. We have some twill mix, which is being blitzed, and we now need to dust our silicone paper with it. We're now going to put this in the oven for a couple of minutes until the twill mix has melted. So we're now making some chocolate garnishes. We have some tempered dark chocolate, which we're going to pour on top of an acetate. We're going to place another one on top. And then with the pipe, we're going to press. So what we want is a very thin layer of chocolate, which we're now going to cut with the cutter which has the same dimension as our cake. We're going to place our chocolate in between two heavy trays so the chocolate will stay flat. We're now going to cut some strawberry and raspberry. We use strawberry from the Mornington Peninsula, and also the raspberries, they come from the Yarra Valley. So we now put some salted hazelnut on top of our cake and one of the chocolate garnish, and we place these in a hot oven to get the chocolate to melt. As you see, the chocolate is now melted, and we can start the plate up. We have some fresh raspberry and strawberry, our chocolate cake with a soft caramel center, and our chocolate twill, and we also have some raspberry puree. So we start from putting some berries on the bottom. We use a cutter to make sure that the raspberry they look round. We can then pipe a bit of raspberry coulis And then we're gonna place our warm cake on top of it. Then we can remove our cutter. We're gonna scoop our hazelnut ice cream and finish it off with a caramel twill. And enjoy.